Hi, welcome back to STYFLY Malaysia. Today we going to take a close look on new development of Empire City 2. Empire City 2, also known as Central Park DAMANSARA. To all my 30k subscriber, thank you for supporting my channel, and for new viewer, please subscribe and hit notification bell for new video updates. Thank you for your support, I really appreciate it. Located about 20 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur city. Desa Park City, located in DAMANSARA PERDANA. DAMANSARA PERDANA has good potential, with plenty of offerings that are more affordable than those in neighboring townships, said consultants. Non-landed residences appear to be the preferred form of property development there, owing mainly to their affordability. The 750 acres DAMANSARA PERDANA is located within the Golden Triangle of Petaling Jaya, which also consists of Bandar Utama and Mutiara DAMANSARA. It is one of the most densely populated areas in Malaysia. It is accessible via the DAMANSARA Puchong Expressway, Sprint Highway or Penchala Link, Persiran Surian, and NKVE, and the latest DAMANSARA Shah Alam Expressway, which is still under construction. Dash stands a distance of 20.1 kilometers with 13 interchanges, offering much-needed traffic dispersal alternatives in a highly congested area. The expressway ends at the Penchala interchange, with dedicated ramp will be built for smoother traffic flow along Jalan PJU81 DAMANSARA PERDANA for the better traffic flow of the community. Central Park DAMANSARA is a mixed development that comprises of serviced residences, offices and retails. Located in DAMANSARA PERDANA is part of the Golden Triangle of Petaling Jaya. The township estimated to be completed in 8-10 years. Total size of the mixed development 65 acres, will have 10 plots. Currently has been launched 6 phases. Phase 1, Twins. Phase 2, Vervain. Phase 3, Cosmos. Phase 4, Derica. Phase 5, Clover. Phase 6, Terra. According to Exsim, the sales rate for Central Park DAMANSARA residences is close to 98%, and the project is expected to be completed in the second quarter of 2024 quarter 2. Exsim Development Sdn Bhd is a big-sized property development company held privately, and it has built about 25 property projects in Malaysia. Mammoth Empire Holdings Sdn Bhd, whose flagship development is Empire City DAMANSARA at Petaling Jaya, Selangor, has put the land earmarked for its ambitious multi-billion ringgit Empire City DAMANSARA 2 project up for sale. The township's amenities include the KPJ DAMANSARA 2 Specialist Hospital. It will be situated within a major commercial development that is currently expanding with the housing market in the neighborhood, which produces a local demand for a medical facility and competes in the Malaysian medical tourism market. Completed by 2020, this hospital is able to accommodate 150 beds and will be increased in stages up to a final bed count of 300. Its standard room typology assures a flexible arrangement of function that is designed for future expansion. The KPJ DAMANSARA 2 Specialist Hospital is set to be a modern medical facility in DAMANSARA. With this, the total township is complete with proper amenities. The unique concept of Central Park DAMANSARA is the nature features. Equipped with sanctuary park, adventure park, waterfall and many more nature-related recreational facilities, create the residential area one of a kind, and the cost of unit between 300k to 650k, an affordable value for young family. DAMANSARA PERDANA has become one of the best-selling township in Petaling Jaya with total sales exceeding Rm 1.9 billion. DAMANSARA PERDANA is surrounded by major affluent townships within 10 km radius such as Mutiara DAMANSARA, Bandar Sri DAMANSARA, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, Bandar Utama, DAMANSARA Utama, and DAMANSARA Jaya. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell for new video notification. COVID-19 is still out there. Please wear mask and keep your distances. Please spread love to our beautiful life. See you in my next video and stay safe. Bye from STYFLY.